Meet Daisy, a young deer who lives in a beautiful forest. On this sunny morning, she loves to explore and discover new wonders around every corner. Daisy notices beautiful, colorful butterflies dancing around the flowers. Their wings shimmer in the sunlight, and she becomes curious and excited to follow them. Daisy decides to follow the butterflies as they lead her on an adventure deeper into the forest. She walks carefully through the trees, her heart full of wonder. The butterflies lead Daisy to a beautiful sparkling stream with magical glowing flowers along its banks. Daisy is amazed by this enchanting discovery. A friendly little rabbit hops out from behind a bush and greets Daisy. They become instant friends, delighted to meet each other. Daisy and her new rabbit friend play together by the stream, splashing in the water and having fun. They laugh and enjoy their time together. The butterflies return and flutter upward, leading Daisy and the rabbit to look up and see a beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky. As the sun begins to set, Daisy and her rabbit friend wave goodbye to the butterflies. They promise to meet again tomorrow for more adventures.